tastes weird.
All right, you guys. That is that. For that. A little piece. I'm gonna finish this last one up. And this is kind of like drainy. But I did it. I don't know how. But I fucking did it. I'm finna finish this last little one. This last little piece. Try to get some more cheese. Sorry for my fat showing, but I don't. Oh, why are you touching the camera, bro?
Because you can't see you. Unless you wanted to be staring at me.
So yeah, this is last little one, and then I'm finna get ready to fry these. I'm finna show y'all. Well, I ain't cooked my steak yet. I ain't cooked the steak ones yet, but this gonna be my last little piece right here. You know what I'm saying? That's a little piece. Sneak peek. I know I was supposed to bring that bit all the way over. I'm gonna tuck it. Okay. Oh, I was supposed to tuck it. This one looked like a little circle ball. So these are cheese and meat, and some were just salad. Yeah, I think I said that right. So what I didn't use, I'm gonna put up for tomorrow. Make my little baby some kids. Taisha, come give me that bowl, Taisha. Come on. I got like a corner. Give me the little white bowls, please, so I can wrap this up. And I'm gonna make the steak one too.
Wait. That smells good, Mom.
Oh no, let me see. I might not need that.
You probably got the wrong one. And you know you forgot to do, Mom, put the meat in there.
No, I didn't. I need some aluminum foil. Put this in the sink. So this is all I have left for tomorrow. You gonna give me the aluminum foil, girl? Or what you got going on?
You blocking the closet.
Over there.
Where?
In that drawer. Show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how it's gonna look when I get ready to fry it. My cousin just showed me how to do it. Sierra, look at this. Sierra. Taisha, don't go back in that room until you clean off my damn table. Get that stuff up. I don't know what you got going on. I'm gonna wrap this up, put this in the refrigerator. I'm gonna do this probably for tomorrow. And then, yeah, I'm gonna fry it. Here you go. And my cousin, I could sprinkle a little bit of flour on it. Oh yeah, this is that. Cheese got to go up. Ooh. All I had is a little bit of this. I ain't cooking a whole lot. So I'm gonna use this for tomorrow. Y'all can come on out here and clean up. It's just a little piece. I'm gonna fry the steak, y'all. And I'm gonna fry the steak. And I'm gonna put the steak and cheese. I'm gonna do steak and cheese. Yeah. And I was gonna use that for the shrimp. That kind of ran out, but Oh well, I'm gonna just wrap that up. All right, thank y'all for liking, subscribing, and all that good stuff. I'm gonna let y'all see when I fry.